Good evening, this is City News at 6 and we begin tonight with the ongoing COVID-19 outbreak here in BC, across Canada and around the world. The province has now declared a public health emergency. There are 83 new positive cases of coronavirus in BC, bringing our provincial total to 186. 3 more deaths have also been linked to COVID-19 in BC, bringing that total to 7. 2 of those deaths are linked to an outbreak at the Lynn Valley Care Centre in North Vancouver. The other was a man in his 80s in the Fraser Health region. Dr. Bonnie Henry says the reason there has been a big jump in numbers today is because thousands of people have been tested since the pandemic was declared last week. There were other cases that were presumptive positives and needed to be confirmed.
They were identified at one of the other labs and they were acted on, but they didn't make it into our reconciliation until it was confirmed at the BC CDC. So now all of the labs are doing it on their own, and we should be able to over the next little while. I also, there was a backlog, as we mentioned on Monday, yesterday, that particularly over the weekend, and we've now brought on new resources at Life Labs and others in the back office to help work through those tests. So they will be reconciled, I hope, by the end of this week, and we should have more stable numbers after that. There's 5 things that people should be doing today, really. Hand hygiene, we've always talked about. Cleaning our hands regularly, covering our mouth when we cough, not touching your face and eyes, and staying home when you're sick and staying away from others.
There's a self-assessment tool on the BC Centre for Diseases Control's website. It launched last night and has been used by more than 500,000 people. Well, here's a snapshot of what COVID-19 looks like across the country tonight. The most cases are here in BC. Alberta declared a state of emergency today and is reporting 97 cases. Ontario has 177 cases, with 8 repatriated cases at CFB Trenton. The total number of presumptive and confirmed cases reported in Canada currently stands at 583. 8 deaths related to COVID-19 have now been reported.